Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a drone tour of Highway 2000, the north-south leg. This road is also known as the Edward Seaga Highway. So this road connects you from Kingston to Ocho Rios. And because of this road, you can now get from Kingston to Ocho Rios in 45 minutes. And it's a very easy drive on a highway quality road. So this is Highway 2000 and it's a toll road. We are actually at the Unity Valley exit or entrance, depending on which side you're going. So straight ahead, you're looking at the road that takes you towards Ocho Rios. And there's a gas station on the right of where we are, and on the left is like a rest stop. And I'm not sure if it was supposed to be stores, those buildings on the left, or what, but nothing is happening over there really. It's just a restroom area. As you can see, very nice highway. This is now the standard of what a highway is in Jamaica, a 4-lane dual carriageway. Before, they used to have some roads that they call highways, like Bustamante Highway, Northern Coastal Highway. But ever since this road has been built, this is a standard for what a highway is now. So over there on the left now, that's the area I was talking about. I'm not sure if it was to be stores, or I'm not sure what it was supposed to be. I'm thinking straight ahead, that building, the one to the right, it might be like a mini Fates pen where people would sell food. And then the middle building now is the restroom area, and then the building on the left was a store. But I don't think it still operates as a store. Basically everything over there is empty except for the restroom, which is operational. And then as we keep going around now, so this is if you are getting on the highway. How this go now? Okay, and I guess that area was to be more shops, but as you can see, everything over there is dead. It's empty. Okay, you can take the exit here and go around, and you come up. If you're going from Kingston to Ocho Rios, that's the Unity Valley exit there on the left. So the road at the end of those shops, that's where you would exit and go around and exit by Monique. Not sure why they call it Unity Valley, but this is the Monique exit. As you exit here, and drive for another minute, you get to Monique. And that's the road you would exit on there. And also, as if you're coming from Kingston heading towards Ocho Rios, that's the exit road there. And then on the other side now would be where the video started at would be the exit to the Unity Valley toll plaza. But I'm not sure why they didn't just call it the Monique toll plaza, because Monique is far more popular than Unity Valley. Alright, so this side of the road now, this is if you are heading towards Kingston. You'll be going up in towards the Kingston direction. Alright guys, well, enjoy the tour of Highway 2000 north-south leg, also known as the Edward Seaga Highway. Alright guys, have a good day.